Hey everybody, welcome back to the Wealth Journey channel. In this video we're going to continue the Versus series with Visa versus Mastercard. Just a reminder that this is not investment advice whatsoever. So these two businesses are the market leaders in the financial transaction services market. They take a percentage of sales when you buy something for using their infrastructure, their payment structure. So a transaction fee that's paid by the vendor or the company you buy from generally. We use them every single day of our life, whether it be for paying for food, petrol, or online for electronics or clothes, as it might be. They sit in the middle of the banks, the consumers, so me and you, and the merchants, the people that are selling it to us. Visa holds roughly a 60% market share. Mastercard holds roughly 30% market share, depending on which country you're talking about. This excludes China as a market, as UnionPay is the dominant player there, and Visa and Mastercard really aren't a player. The closest to Mastercard, who are second in the market, is American Express, who have around an 8% market share. So between those three, it's 98% of the market. Let's talk market cap. Visa has a value over $414 billion, whereas Mastercard has a value of around $350 billion. Visa is based on a multiple of 42 price to earnings compared to around 55 PE for Mastercard. Mastercard can probably warrant the premium in PE due to the fact that it's growing at a faster rate than Visa is currently. Visa operates at a net margin of around 50% compared to that of around 40 to 42% for Mastercard. If we talk dividend, my favourite topic at the moment it would seem, they're pretty similar. So 0.6% dividend for Visa and 0.5% for Mastercard. But there's one subtle difference. Mastercard have been growing their dividend for around 4 or 5 years now at 20% a year, compared to that of around 15% for Visa. Now, this might not seem like a big difference, and it isn't if you're just going to hold the stock for under 5 years. But after 10 years, that can equate to nearly 0.5% in yield. Over 15 years, that ends up being a difference of 2 whole percentage points in yield. In terms of share buybacks, well, Mastercard have bought back around 8% of the total outstanding shares over the past 4 or 5 years now, compared to 9% of Visa. So pretty similar. They're also very, very similar when it comes to acquisitions and growth. So when one of them acquires a company, the other will acquire a similar company to try and offer the same products and services to its customers. Overall, you really would not go wrong owning either or both of these companies. They are not going to go anywhere anytime soon. With the move away from cash and acceleration to using online payments and tap to pay on your phone, NFC payments, this only benefits the payment space that Visa and Mastercard operate in. Even with competition from PayPal and Square, there is plenty of room for everyone to play nice in this space. Owning both means you own 90% of the payment transactions market. If you had to force me to pick between the two, between Visa and Mastercard, I'd probably go with Mastercard. And the reason for that is, and this is purely my opinion, I think they will outperform in terms of capital growth over the next 3 to 5 years. This is, once again, my personal opinion and not financial advice. If you've enjoyed this video, drop it a like and subscribe for more content. But until next time, stay safe.